Alright, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to carry on stripping this apart, ready to take it out. I'll take all the intake off, obviously, take the turbo off. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to cut this slam panel out, and then we'll weld it back in after. The reason being is my engine crane doesn't go particularly high. When we put this engine in, I had to take the wheels off, drop it right down. It was a massive ball ache, and that's why the slam panel is pretty beat up. So yeah, what I'll do, I'm going to cut it out. I know it seems pretty drastic, but we can weld it in after. Then I can clean it all up as well. I take the opportunity to clean it all up, make it look a bit better, and yeah, make it a lot easier to take the engine out. And I think it's the easier option. So that's it, it's essentially ready to come out. I'm not sure when I'll take it out. I might do it Sunday, but it depends on the weather. The weather's supposed to be crap, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, essentially ready to come out. Like I said, I'll cut that slam panel out, obviously take that bull bar off, and then we'll pull it out. Okay, so as you can see, we've had a bit of snow, so we're not going to be working on any of the cars. We're still going to play with these toys. Well, yeah, as you just saw, we didn't achieve a lot this weekend. Unfortunately, not having a workshop. That's what happens when you get a bit of shit weather this time of year. But there you go. That's how it is. Weather permitting, my new engine is supposed to be here tomorrow, but I can't see that with this snow. So it should be here some point next week. So yeah, I'll get that set up in my shed. So I'll at least be able to work on that, take the heads off, put the Cometic gaskets on there and the ARP studs. So yeah, I'll film me building that up, ready to go in there. Yeah, but when it'll actually go in, I don't know. Same goes for the throttle bodies on the Clio. Obviously, with this sort of weather we're having, we haven't been able to do that either. So yeah, not sure how much content there's going to be over the next couple of weeks. It might not be a lot this side of Christmas now. Yeah, like I say, probably just the one of me building that other engine up. That might be over 1 or 2 videos, we'll see how that pans out. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So, till the next one, see you again.